I'm gonna put my glasses so I can see shit. Okay. Okay, so these are just some little afterthoughts to the previous reading. Because of the energy has been a little bit chaotic and all over the place. So it's a message to drop the burden of the past, to let go, follow the heart, your soul's calling, your intuition, which is a process. We have seen the burden and the conflicting and contradicting energies there, which is all about balancing them out. The ego may feel the loss, which we perceive as painful sometimes, and yet it is liberating. And as well, there's I'm seeing a butterfly here. Someone is in their head, like trying to find a way to get their independence, their stability, in order to progress in this new journey. I brought here a little Buddha. As well as some Chinese I suppose this is a dragon. And because of the time we are in, this festivity, I found this one as well here in this place. There's a lot of symbolism here. They're all messages. Now, this energy has been so interruptive. Like I'm literally doing this energy reading like through. It's a whole new day today, but I had to review it again and just try to make sense of it. So there was definitely like standing up for the belief, standing up for what you feel in your heart, right? Okay, so we have here the Eight of Spades and the Ace of Diamonds. Okay, we have the Queen of Diamonds here, and we have the Eight of Clubs. Five of Hearts. Okay, Nine of Clubs and Ace of Spades. Give me one for each, please. Eight of Spades. Okay, we have the Ace of Clubs and the Six of Clubs. So whatever someone is in their head about, it has to do with being successful over a creative new beginning here. What else? The Ace of Diamonds. Seven of Clubs. Again, standing up for this. This is the same message that came in the previous reading for the Ace of Diamonds here. Queen of Diamonds with the Jack of Hearts. Oh, and we have the Four of Hearts here. So whatever there is unfulfilling here, that someone, like a context someone is trying to pull out, that is burdensome, the burden that needs to be released here. This Six of Hearts. Oh, we just had the counterpart energy here. Okay, we have twice the Joker and Four of Pentacles. So we had like the King and Queen of Diamonds here. Four of Diamonds here, Joker, twice. Stability, and again. So whatever unfulfilling energy or lacking energy here of of an emotional, in the emotional field here, it will be replenished here because it moves to the Six of Hearts. Yes, and it moves to stability. There's an exchange here, a balanced exchange or an investing in this. Whether this is financially, also with time. Eight of Wands, we speak about this, we speak it into existence, we manifest it. We write about it, we sing about it, we there is a passionate movement about this, and so whatever this headspace is that is so overwhelming here with the Ten of Spades, there's, though, with the Queen of Spades here, clarity, a search for clarity here when it comes to this. We can consider the Joker as the Fool, as new beginning here, right? It is emotionally fulfilling with the Nine of Hearts, Five of Hearts. Again, there's an increase. See, we have the Five of Hearts twice now. And we have here again King of Diamonds. Okay. We continue further here. What is this? The Eight of Clubs twice as well. Okay, Page or Jack of Diamonds here. Okay, this Queen of Diamonds. Yeah. Trying to figure out a way. Okay, what is this? Clarify this Eight of Clubs. Joker as well, so I mean it is the magic of knowing how to be playful within all this chaotic energy, transformative energy here, which is challenging, to be creative about it, to turn it into something creative, to master it. To balance out the seriosity of this. I mean, still it is serious, but also to lighten it up in a certain way. Okay, what is this? King of Clubs. Yeah, we had the counterpart here of the Queen of Clubs as well. Okay, communication about this conflict here. Someone's passionately communicating about this in a context of the conflict. Can you give me one more here for the Eight of... this is about stability, yeah. Wow, and we have here the Queen of... Wow, we have the Queen and King of Clubs with the Four of Clubs on top of the Eight of Clubs. Truth. Speaking the truth. Wow. Here with the Ace of Spades and Ace of Hearts. And Ace of Pentacles. Wow, 3 aces in a row. What is the Five of Hearts here? yeah, again, this conflictive energy here with the two of spades, 6 of spades, like moving forward, right, into a calmer, healing over this. Okay. 9 of clubs, 7 of hearts. Someone is, fantasizing about this stability, long-term investment. 10 of diamonds and fighting for it. And here one last for the ace of spades. This one. 10 of clubs. Yeah, it is a ending and a new beginning. 8 of diamonds here. Investing in this. Planting the seed. Continue. In doing so. Okay, give me one here. Some messages from the major arcana. Wow, here. We have the palace, gong, which would be the tower. Shaking up any foundation that is not necessary here. We have the Empress, Ni Huang. To build a new foundation here. Okay, we have Magician, exactly. Came up in the last reading as well. Magician, Mo Fa Shi. To manifest, to take action. Continue building this. And we have the Devil, walk away. Okay. Lovers, Lian Ren. And Justice, Zhengji. Okay, so yeah, whatever fears or toxicity were involving this. Okay, I mean, we have the tower here. This is definitely has been seen for what it is, or it will not withstand this higher vibrational energy that is definitely moving this. And it's like a river, it will find its way. Okay, we can take in the other reading I took them out because of the images. But okay, let's see. I don't know. Exactly. Okay, chariot here. And we had on the bottom of the deck, we had the moon. Moving forward in silence. Following your intuition, your feelings, whatever makes you feel home. Okay, 7 of chalices here, 2 of chalices. Okay, yeah, it's fantasizing with 2 of cups here, 2 of chalices. Give me one here for the devil. Was that a yellow butterfly? Okay, 3 of hearts here. 4 of hearts. Solar plexus transformation, right? solar plexus here. Really come out and shine with your truth, with the mission here that is pursued. Clarify the 3 of Hearts. Okay, there's an increasing of emotions as well. If there was a lack, yeah, 10 of Pentacles. Seven of Hearts. Jack of Spades. 2 of Diamonds. 6 of Clubs. The overcoming again of something that is unfulfilling here with the Devil. And the clarity over something that is long term. The future. Yeah, 3 of Clubs, 3 of Spades, a Jack of Clubs, 2 of Clubs, and the 9 of Spades, yeah. 4 of Clubs. There is hesitation about a decision here. Yep, there it is again, 5 of Spades. But someone though, okay, King of Spades here. They are clear about this though. Okay, Queen of Clubs here. 10 of Hearts, 2 of Hearts, 9 of Hearts, and Queen of Spades counterpart here again. And King of... Wow, this is like vice versa. They are fighting for each other, as it seems. Was also a message from the other reading, yeah. They are like... they're afraid, but at the same time like... and a little bit imbalanced, but at the same time like fighting for each other, like fighting for this. Here counterpart energy as well, King of Clubs.